Format Painter. How to use Format Painter. The purpose of using Format Painter, let's say we don't have a format in this following cell. So click, press Ctrl, then to select more. Let's say we don't have a format here. No fill. Let's say the color is of the text. I'm just clicking this one, then press Ctrl to select more. Let's say we use a color of black, but we want to be same as this one. So we are going to copy this format and paste it here, also here, and this one, also this one. So Format Painter, you can find Format Painter under Home, Format Painter. Select this. First, you have to select the cell that you want to be copied, or copy it into the other. So I want to copy this. So then I click the Format cell. Then it will select that cell and it will change the pointing or the arrow, the cursor, into something with a cross and a brush. And I can click on here. Then it will paste that. Well, then select it again and paste it here again. And select. The purpose of using Format Painter is if you want to make ease, or you want to easily copy the format of a certain area or a certain cell and paste it into something or some cells, you can use the Format Painter. Okay, say I want to copy this format and paste it here. Select this one, Format Painter, then paste it here. What it will do, it will also copy the format and the size of this cell, the merge. Let's say there are 3 columns that are merged here, so it will also copy it in here. So not only the format of this of the color, the text, also the groupings of the cell, it will copy it. So that is Format Painter in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.